Consider this video your official invitation to the most exciting party you can attend this August.
Yes, Gan Chev is celebrating its 48th anniversary in Gananoque, and we are going all out to make sure everybody remembers and has a great time.
With GM's summer upgrade event continuing in August, we have reason to celebrate. 0% financing is available during 2 time periods this month, or employee pricing is available from August 8th to 26th.
This month at Gan Chev, when you buy a vehicle, you get your choice of a prize from the back of our Trailblazer and have the chance to win a free set of snow tires. It might just be the best time we've seen all year to upgrade to the new GM model you've been dreaming about. All you need to take advantage of the savings, the fun, the prizes, and the draw is to request your VIP Pick a Prize voucher.
Just click the link underneath this video and access your VIP voucher now. And if you own a vehicle, we'll also provide you with a free trade-in evaluation and upgrade estimate at no extra cost.
With the current demand for high-quality pre-owned vehicles in our area, you could get a better offer for your vehicle now than at any other time in the next 6 months. Let us run the numbers for you. You might be in the best financial position possible to upgrade to the new Silverado or Sierra truck you want.
Or maybe a Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, crossover, or SUV that will make your neighbors jealous. The party is happening every day this August and culminating on August 28th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for our outdoor barbecue with Mark, the singing salesman. Prizes, food for everyone, plus your last chance to take advantage of GM's summer upgrade event and the thousands of dollars that you could save on your next GM.
What are you doing still watching? Click the link under this video to activate your VIP Pick a Prize voucher.
Join us at Gan Chev this August for savings, good time, and the GM ride you really want. See you at the party.